Trigger allergies. We are prone to a myriad of allergy triggers inside of our buildings that comes from anything we use or live with. Starting from the air we inhale to the carpets or sofas we sit, pollens, dust mites, molds, insect stings, latex, and animal dander. In healthy buildings, proper air filtering systems and its maintenance is required to get rid of all allergens, chemical, gases. There should be thorough inspections of buildings for molds, air leakages, relative humidity, pest control, and pest reductions. These all are the contributory factors of the allergies to the occupants. These allergies can be any type: blood, respiratory, or skin. In healthy buildings, we can mitigate these allergic triggers simply by following the standards for practical matter, inorganic gases, and volatile substances.